everybody. I just made it back from Dollar Tree and I was looking for stuff for the garden. It's February, so I have each month I try to do something to contribute to the household, the garden, or whatever. Okay, so I have a little money for that, got a little money for food, and so I got everything I needed for the garden. Okay, and before we get started, guys, I just want you to know that this is a home and garden lifestyle channel. And as of right now, I think it's important to kind of share survival and self-sufficiency content because I am a news junkie and I'm always watching everything that's going on. And God, I mean, it's just we're so low on the priorities list. We're so low on the totem pole. These people are thinking big. I mean, these are elected officials and stuff. They're globalists now. It's not like American pride. They're not about like standing up for America. They're just all about dominating the world. So how can I compete with that? I don't know if I can, but all I can do is make sure that my household is as strong as possible and that that we're okay. So that's why I'm promoting making gardening, preparing your pantry, gardening, making sure your freezer's stocked, your house cleaned, not buying a whole bunch of unnecessary stuff. Although they talk about tariffs and stuff, most of that stuff that's been imported here in the United States is a bunch of junk. Our kids don't need all them stupid toys, all them extra shoes, all those devices and stuff. Most of us don't need to be uh, buying all that stuff, over and over again. So I'm about doing stuff that can keep us sustained. Okay, so that's why you're seeing. That's why you're seeing like garden stuff. Okay. All right. So first thing I got more of these seed starter mixes. It's compressed already. When you put water on it, it will expand. You put your seeds on there, and then they will grow. So they had 2 of these left, so I got those. I got some seed starter pots. Check out the seed starter pots. You get 10 pots in here. And these are biodegradable. I like that. Got a couple of those. Let's turn that around. I always get some tape. It may not apply to gardening, but I always get a thing of tape when I go in there. Okay, they got their garden gloves. All the cute ones were gone. This was the last one. I like the little polka dots. Got one here, and then I got a blue pair. I got a green pair too. I got one of these 8 pattern sprinklers. This was just $3. And I had one before years ago. It worked fine. So we needed a new one. I think hubby stepped on and cracked the other one. I mean, they're plastic, so you can't just be stepping all on them. Okay, got some new seeds. And you'll get 1 pack. When they're this size, you'll get 1 pack for $1.25. These are microgreens salad mix from American Seed. So I got some of those seeds. But y'all know I like my salads and my greens. Okay, they had some watermelon. These are sugar baby watermelon seeds. We grew some last year. But when hubby grew some of these, and he grew some cantaloupe. That cantaloupe was the best cantaloupe I ever had in my life. Then I got another cucumber. They had 1 cucumber left. Okay. Then got a sprayer. Pressure sprayer. $5. These are good. You want to spray off any pests that are on there. Spray any, natural, uh, just spray any stuff to keep the bugs away. All right, so you do that. And I got a couple more of these pumps. These misters. So now my collection is, I got the green, pink, we have the clear, and we have a blue. And what I do, I use these are great for when you have your seedlings, when you're just starting your seeds. I mist mine every day. You don't want a big, heavy stream of water. Just mist them, keep them moist until they germinate. Then when they germinate, you can still just mist that soil. So that's why I like misters. Because I can get heavy-handed with watering. Okay, so we have that. Oh, let me see. And I didn't get a whole lot. Got more of these. These would be good for little salads or plants, or hang on your balcony, hang on your chairs. I like these. And when I see them, I get them because years went by and I could never get them. They were always gone. So we have these little pots here. And the main reason I went in there, I was looking for these gardening totes. We got one, it's in the sunflower. And then they have them in the lemon thing. And I need this because I'm always running back. I'm like, where's my trowel at? Where's this? I need some, so I keep everything in them. So these were $5. These are in the plus section. And so it's nice. It has a lot of room, a lot of pockets. Let me show you how I set mine up. Got another one here. These will make good gifts for like Mother's Day. So like I have my gloves here. You can put these little nippers and stuff you get from Dollar Tree in there. These are my expensive ones. These cut everything. You got a pocket for that. You got a pocket for your transplanter. And I have some twine in here. Then on the side, there's a pocket. So I got some seeds in here. Seeds right there. And you open it up. Do it like that. Or there's a snap here where you can make it a really larger tote. Like this. Isn't that cool for $5? Nice canvas material. It's waterproof on the inside. So right now I have in there this my rake and my clips, plant clips. It's big enough to fit this in there. Oh, this came from Dollar Tree. The shovel. I have a towel in there so I can wipe my hands. Got a thing of pots. I need to get I got my labels. I need to get a permanent marker in here. And I use this This is my dibbler, this little dowel rod thing. This is my dibbler where I poke my little holes in there and put my seeds in. So that's what's new at Dollar Tree. Now it has some, this thing has a drawstring. I don't know how that works. I mean, it's not, you can just draw it up and tie it and do it like that. Okay, let me try to fix this. All right, so that's my garden edition of things I got from Dollar Tree. In my comments, people are asking me, where are you getting this? Where are you getting that? And so I have some more garden stuff, content coming up. I have some stuff coming, and I will link everything in the description box. So even though I got this from Dollar Tree, I'll have some links to things that, like the green, people always ask me, where'd you get your greenhouse? I'm going to link that in there. My grow bags, they ask about that. I'm going to have that linked. And what soil do I use? So all that's going to be linked in the description box, of this video and of all of my garden videos and most videos. Okay. All right. And then I welcome you to stay until the end, and then you'll see where you can subscribe if you're new. And I want to say again, hello and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. I don't take you for granted. Love that you stopping by. And so if you're new to this channel today, at the end you'll see my face pop up. Hit that, you're subscribed, and then you'll see a playlist of my haul. You'll see a new playlist and go on, and you can check out some videos there as well. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate. I'm sorry, I'm just getting in. It's been a busy morning, so now I gotta go and make some meatloaf and clean the house and all that. Okay, guys, so thanks so much. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.